Can you throw Shaka? And right in front, right there. Good. Excellent.
But before we get started, I want to bring onto the stage two very special friends, Moana and Maui, Auliʻi and Dwayne.
It's so beautiful to see you all here. I have to say, I do not own Moana. We own Moana. Moana is a celebration for all of us, from Tonga to Tahiti to Hawaii to Aotearoa to Samoa, from the Pacific Islands being Polynesian to Micronesian to Melanesian. This is for us. So thank you for being here.
This one, Moana 2 is special because it's our people, it's our culture. And here we are. She grew up in the Big Island. I grew up 15 miles from here. We love you guys. Thank you. And enjoy the movie. Moana 2, here we are. Yahoo!